If you're using Instagram and it is linked with your Facebook page via Business Suite, and if somebody is sending messages to you on Instagram and you are getting the same messages on your Business Suite Facebook, then you can unlink and get the messages only at one place. Go to your Instagram, go to your profile, click on top 3 dots, scroll down and you will see account type and tools. Click on it. Now scroll down all the way and go to messaging tool. Now click on message controls, and here is the real deal. Allow access to messages. If you allow Business Suite, then you will definitely get messages there, so just turn it off. And if you want nobody send you a message, you can turn it off here, or you can allow only followers. You can unhide unwanted messages here as well. If you didn't follow me on Instagram, here is my handle, same as my YouTube channel name. Follow today and ask me anything there via DM. And if you didn't follow me on Facebook, you can find the link in the description. You can also go to my page and follow there. I'll see you. Bye.